wake up, it's a sunny day. Golden sunshine says, let's play. Brush your teeth and tie your shoes. So many games, which one to choose? Out in the garden, what do I see? A busy little buzzing bee. Red, red flowers, green, green trees. Butterflies dancing in the breeze. Hop like a bunny across the grass. Zoom like a rocket, super fast. Climb up high like a tall, tall tree. Wave your hands and shout, that's me. Here comes a puppy, wagging his tail, running around on a happy trail. Woof, 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 he wants to play, chasing the bright red ball away. Splash, splash, splash in a tiny blue pool. Water feels nice and cool, so cool. Jumping quick, 1, 2, 3, laughing loud with glee, glee, glee. Snack time comes, crunch, crunch, bite. Juicy apples, what a delight. Milk so white in a little cup, strong and healthy, growing up. Now the sun goes down so slow. Orange and pink begin to glow. Stars come out in the dark, dark sky. Twinkle, twinkle, way up high.